Welcome to Tam Coc, often called Halong Bay on land. Let's uncover the serene beauty and cultural charm of this magical destination. Tam Coc means three capes, and it offers a perfect blend of river, rice fields, and limestone karsts, all best explored by boat. Tam Coc is located in Ninh Binh province, about 100 kilometers south of Hanoi. It's part of the Trang and Scenic Landscape Complex, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. The best time to visit is in late May to early June during the rice harvest season, when the fields glow golden under the sun. From Hanoi, you can reach Tam Coc by car, motorbike, or train. It's a 2-hour drive with charming countryside views along the way. Boat rides cost around 150,000 Vietnamese dong per person. Each boat carries 2 to 4 people and is rowed by friendly locals, often using their feet. Besides boat rides, explore by bike or on foot to feel the peaceful rhythm of the countryside and get closer to daily village life. Along the river, you'll pass through 3 natural caves, encounter towering cliffs, flocks of birds, and maybe even grazing goats. Don't miss nearby attractions like Hang Mua for panoramic views, Tai Vi Temple, or the Trangan boat tour for a deeper dive into the region's beauty. From riverside homestays to boutique hotels with mountain views, Tam Coc offers cozy stays perfect for relaxing after a day of adventure. Bring a hat, sunscreen, and a camera. Early morning or late afternoon rides are cooler and more photogenic. Chat with the locals. They make the experience unforgettable. Discover the soul of Ninh Binh in Tam Coc with Vietnamtourin, where nature, culture, and heartwarming moments await.